Chapter 1. Introduction: From Theory to Action. In the previous deep dive video, we dissected the powerful economic theory of train to earn, a model designed to fix the failed promise of play to earn by rewarding truly valuable work. We talked about how it creates a decentralized, sustainable economy for AI computation. Today, we will stop talking theory and start taking action. This is not a conceptual video. This is a practical, hands-on masterclass. This is your ultimate step-by-step guide to turning your own computer, whether PC or Mac, into a running node that earns income on the Hyra AI network. By the end of this 30-minute tutorial, you will not only have a Hyra AI node installed and running, but you will also understand exactly what it is doing, how to monitor it, and how you are personally contributing to the decentralized AI revolution. So, grab a cup of coffee, boot up your computer, and let's get started. Chapter 2. Pre-launch checklist. Before we dive into installation, a good pilot always performs pre-flight checks. This will save you a lot of time and prevent common issues. Here's what you will need. First, hardware requirements. The Hyra AI network is designed to be accessible, but for the current alpha-beta phase, there are some recommended minimum requirements to ensure you can efficiently complete computational tasks. CPU, a modern 4-core processor or better. RAM, we recommend at least 16 GB of RAM. GPU, this is important. While not mandatory for all tasks, a modern NVIDIA or AMD GPU with at least 8 GB VRAM will qualify you for a wider range of AI training tasks and generally higher profits. Mas GMT. Storage, a solid-state drive, SSD, with at least 100 GB of free space, is highly recommended to ensure speed. Internet, a stable broadband internet connection with good upload and download speeds. Second, software requirements. We will use Docker to run the Hyra node in a container. This simplifies installation and ensures it runs the same way on all machines. If you haven't installed Docker yet, don't worry, I will guide you. Make sure your operating system, Windows 10, 11, or macOS Monterey and above, is fully updated. Third, compatible wallet and Hyra tokens. You will need a Web3 wallet compatible with the Hyra ecosystem. You will also need a small amount of Hyra tokens. These will be used for a one-time staking deposit to activate your node. This stake acts as collateral to ensure nodes operate honestly on the network. Think of it as a security deposit for your new digital business. Finally, the right mindset. Remember, you are becoming part of a global decentralized supercomputer. Your node may be idle at times and busy at others when the network coordinator assigns tasks. Patience is key. You are now a provider, a participant, a money earner. You are part of the supply side in the train-to-earn model. Once you have everything on this checklist, you are ready for takeoff. Chapter 3. Installation Guide. PC, Bosch, Windows. All right, Windows users, this section is for you. We will go step by step. Feel free to pause the video anytime. Step 1. Install Docker Desktop. First, if you don't have it, install Docker. Open your web browser and go to docker.com. We will navigate to the Docker Desktop download page for Windows. Guide through download and installation. Pause for installation. Once Docker is installed and running, you will see its icon in your system tray. Make sure it is running before proceeding. Step 2. Download the Hyra AI Node software. Next, visit the official Hyra AI website. Navigate to the Nodes or Downloads section. Here, you will find the Windows installer package. Download the file. Step 3. Run the installer and initial setup. Open the downloaded installer. It will guide you through the setup process. Guide through installer prompts. The installer will automatically pull the exact Hyra AI node image from Docker Hub. After installation, the Hyra AI node application will launch. The first thing it will ask for is to connect your wallet. Step 4. Connect wallet and stake. Click Connect Wallet. This will prompt your Web3 wallet to sign a message, linking it to your node. Show wallet pop-up and confirmation. Now, we need to stake Hyra to activate the node. The dashboard will show you the required stake amount. Enter the amount and click Stake and Activate. This will trigger a transaction in your wallet. Confirm it. Pause to confirm transaction. This step is your commitment to the security and integrity of the network. Step 5. Verify your node is running. Once the transaction is confirmed, your node dashboard will become active. You will see your node status change to Active or Online. Congratulations, Windows user! Your Hyra AI node is now officially running and part of the global network, ready to receive and complete AI tasks. Chapter 4. Installation Guide. Mac OS X. Mac users, your turn. The process is very similar, but let's go over the key points. Step 1. Install Docker Desktop for Mac. Like on Windows, our first step is Docker. Go to docker.com and download the correct version for your Mac. Apple Silicon or Intel. Guide dragging the app into the Applications folder. Launch Docker and ensure the stable whale icon appears in your top menu bar. Step 2 and 3. Download and run the Hyra AI Node. Guide downloading the .dmg file from the Hyra website and installing it. This process is straightforward and similar to most Mac apps. Step 4 and 5. Connect wallet and verify. The wallet connection and staking process is identical to the Windows version. The app will prompt you, your wallet will pop up, and you will confirm the staking transaction. Once confirmed, your dashboard will show your node is active. And just like that, your Mac is now a contributor to the Hyra AI network. Chapter 5. Node Dashboard. A tour of the control center. Now that your node is running, let's tour your control center, the Node Dashboard. This is where you monitor your performance and earnings. Node Status. This should show online. It tells you if you are successfully connected to the Hyra network. Reputation Score. When you start, this score will be basic. As you successfully complete tasks on time, this score increases. A higher score qualifies you for more tasks and usually higher pay. Tasks completed. A counter of the computational jobs your node has successfully processed and verified. Estimated earnings. This shows your accumulated Hyra rewards from completed tasks. Remember, this is the earn part of train to earn. On Steam, Resource usage. You will also see real-time data on your CPU, GPU, and RAM usage so you can monitor your machine's performance. What happens now? Your node is currently broadcasting its availability to the network. It may be idle for a while. This is normal. The network's coordination protocol continuously matches tasks from clients with the best available nodes. When a task matching your node's specs and reputation appears, it will be automatically assigned to you. You will see this happen right here on your dashboard. Chapter 6. Conclusion and next steps. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have gone from an audience member to an active participant. Your computer is no longer just an internet consumer. It is now a contributor to a new decentralized intelligent web. You are part of the solution to cloud centralization and a pioneer in the train-to-earn economy. Congratulations on setting up your node. But this is just the beginning. Running a node is one thing, but running it profitably is another. How can you maximize your uptime